Bulgarian beauty came into my home last night. She really is a darling, and from my sore eyes a sight. I observed her very closely and absorbed her radiant charm. But if she knew what I was thinking, she'd have had cause for alarm. Cause I'd like to bug a Boreana. She's a fucking beauty, there's no doubt. I'd like to bug a Boreana, and I'd also like to shove it up her coat. She seems a wee bit of a raver. Perhaps she'll get her juppies out and do this old cunt a fucking favour and let me shove my todger up her spout. Cause I'd like to bug a Boreana. I'd love to give her all my throbbing love, and after sexual nirvana, I'm gonna shove the thing right in her gob. Her ass is like two melons suspended in midair. I like to shag her up the ring and hold her by the ear. I like to bug a Boreana. I give it large, I really must confess. I love to give her my banana. I come a quart and leave a fucking mess. She was a Brahma when I met her. Big brown eyes and lovely pair of buns. She looks so good I could have let her right there in front of all her fucking chums. Cause I like to bug a Boreana. She's a fucking beauty, there's no doubt. I'd like to bug a Boreana. Also like to shove it up her spout.